Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can manage your reminder notifications on Facebook. Maybe you want to limit notification that you receive on your Facebook reminders but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage reminders notification in your Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then in here, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you simply need to scroll down. And you'll see in here settings and privacy. Simply tap on this drop down button beside it. After that, simply tap on this settings. And then simply scroll down and you will see under the preferences these notifications. Simply tap on it. And as you can see in here, you will see the reminders. To manage it, simply tap on these reminders. As you can see, allow notification on Facebook. You can turn this off by toggling this button. And as you can see, turn off notifications. You can also manage where you receive these notifications. You can turn off the notification for push, email, or SMS. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage reminders notification on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage your reminders notification on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.